This is my new friend Jennifer, and she is standing next to her Baja Mighty Light, and it has a surprise.
Camping tours and friendly talks, explaining different kinds of campers. There are many types of motorhomes, vans, trailers, and tents. Being in nature is good for the soul.
How long have you had your trailer?
I've had it for 3 years now.
Okay. And how long is it?
Altogether, it's 22 feet.
Bumper to bumper?
Yeah, bumper to bumper. 18 feet living, and then 3 feet in front.
3 feet hitch. Yeah, a lot of people forget that. And it's a toy hauler, I understand.
Yes, it is.
Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Jennifer, what is the year of your RV?
I'm trying to remember.
Oh, okay.
It's old. It's too old to go to some campgrounds. I think it's a 2000, I want to say.
Okay. So Jennifer, let's walk around the outside. What is this little storage right there?
This actually isn't storage. It just opens into the body of the camper.
Oh.
It's like an escape trap if I ever have a fire in the kitchen, I guess.
Really? That's your escape trap?
I'm saying that you open it and it just shows
It's
under my
just
bed.
under there. So
Yeah.
you could put something
I think there
there.
used to be storage there.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
They
And
got
then
it a lot.
you have an awning, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Have you used your awning?
I used my awning and it ripped the first time I used it. So
Oh
we'll be
dear.
replacing that.
Is it electric or no? It's
No,
manual.
It's a manual one.
Okay,
So
all right.
It's going to be repaired.
And this is the surprise we will reveal closer to the end of the video.
And look, another useless storage door.
Another useless storage door right there. And then she has plugged into electricity, but you have a sewer outlet.
I do have sewer
and a water outlet, but you were telling me about your water situation. What is about your water that you can't use it?
Well, when I first bought it, the toilet was broken, so when we turned the water on, all the water flooded out the front of the camper. So we have replaced the toilet since then, but I still need to seal something in the shower that's leaking, so I don't use the
okay.
shower.
So you can't.
But I can use the toilet.
You could use the toilet, and you can use water faucets.
Yep.
Oh, good.
Yep.
And this is what you tow your trailer with,
Yep.
and what is it?
It's a 2011 Honda Ridgeline.
Okay, very good, and it's got enough power to tow your trailer.
It actually can tow 5,000 pounds, so I'm 1,500 pounds underweight.
Well, good. That's good
Yeah.
to know. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, good. Oh, I see you have an electric jack.
We just got this, and I'm super excited. We have a whole lot of things planned for this camper, but this was the first thing, so I can do it myself.
So much easier.
So much easier.
So much easier. Yes. Oh, you do have a storage unit.
This is my only storage unit, and as you can see, everything's in it that's not in the shower right now.
So that's where you store your water, and
Yep.
you have your
Yep, all my
sewer
hoses. I
tight.
have my little guides. I have everything
All
in there.
in there. Good.
So I have a little room.
Good. So, who do you camp with?
I camp with my little furry friends here. This is Mocha. She's a Chiweenie, and this is my Pomeranians Hopper and Doc.
Cuties. Very cuties.
And they're good campers.
And they have little fence to hang around in.
Yep.
Excellent. And they have what?
A stroller.
A stroller.
And another secret.
Yeah, we'll get to that. Jennifer, may we look inside?
I would be delighted.
Excellent.
There's a lot of work still to be done, though.
That's okay. All right, Jennifer, we're inside. So what is here? What is this?
This is the kitchen. I have started trying to retile it. This is going to be covered with a blackboard surface. And it turned out I'll give myself a B on this
And you
project.
did that yourself?
I did that
Good.
myself.
The cabinets look very nice.
Yeah, they're actually in pretty good shape for the age of the camper.
Uh-huh.
And,
And is that pantry there on the left?
yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
And more storage here.
Very
More
nice.
storage here. And these are actually drawers that work. So
Good
that's
to know.
nice.
You have a 2-burner stove. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's that behind you?
Here's the bathroom. It's under construction. So I did start tiling the inside of the shower.
Oh, very nice.
And I have bought the wallpaper called, Best in Show. That's all dogs being naughty.
Being naughty, how cute.
And they will be on my wall.
Okay, very
But
cool.
the toilet works.
That's the important thing.
Yep, it's
so
brand
there's
new.
no sink in here. You have to use the
I have to use the
kitchen sink for that.
Yep. We have a refrigerator. It's actually pretty good size.
A little empty.
Little tiny freezer.
And it works.
Yep.
And it works on electric or propane.
It works on either. I can push the button and I can choose.
Excellent. And what's down below?
Down below are my heaters and more storage.
Okay. And let's look over here to the left.
This actually, I can take this off and remove the posts and pull it out, and it makes a double bed. I don't do that myself. I leave it as a couch, and I use the bed that I make over here.
Okay. And that bed is made how?
This is a metal frame.
Like a cot?
And air mattress.
Ah.
Yep.
Okay.
Very comfy.
So when you are traveling, you take all that down.
So now when I get ready to leave, I'm going to take that down because I have things that I pull into the camper.
Yeah. Which we're going to see in just a minute.
Okay. So this is the last lock to take out. And then you just pull.
And it creates a big ramp.
Yep. Makes a big ramp.
Now, some of them have legs so they can use it as a patio. Does yours?
No,
Okay.
mine doesn't. We thought about adding that, even with maybe a little dog fence around it. So that's on the possible plans. And then
Jennifer, you have a tricycle
yes, I do.
and it's electric.
It's an electric tricycle. I actually have storage here, quite a lot of storage. And then it also has a wagon that attaches that carries all three of my dogs, holds up to 100 pounds. And I also can put a little dog up here if I want to. I have a basket with me. So the bed comes down. This rolls almost to the front, so the weight's up front. Then the trailer comes and goes right on top of it. If I want to, I can put my bed back in then if I haven't taken it apart. And I'm ready to travel.
That is fabulous. That is so cool.
We used this to go to Walmart yesterday to go get supplies.
And what happened when you came home?
So I impressed some motorcyclists apparently, because as I was coming through the intersection up there, a couple guys on motorcycles started yelling, "Go girl, yeah, keep going, right on." And I took it as a compliment.
Good case. So Jennifer, what is this?
And this is the trailer. It's an awesome accessory. It's actually bolted down into the trailer for now. Most of the covers have screen covers and rain covers. And if I want to, I can unbolt it to use it for cargo, or there's actually a cargo carrier that I can place in, instead of this, that I can carry groceries and all kinds of things in.
Very cool. And all three doggies fit in there.
Oh yeah, you could fit a lab in there.
Yeah, and it's called Rad Power Bikes. That's the brand.
Yep.
Very cool. Very cool. Jennifer, thank you so much for letting me interview you and giving me a tour of your Baja Mighty Light and the surprise at the back where you have a toy hauler. You can put your tricycle. That's fabulous. That's really fabulous. Jennifer, what is the least favorite thing about your rig?
My least favorite thing about my rig is probably the fact that the bathroom's not finished.
But it works.
But it works. It toys. I love that it has dually wheels. We just got it new tires. It's effortless to tow. It really is. I'm pretty happy with it, I have to say.
Good. So what's your favorite thing?
The toy hauler.
The toy hauler
part. The fact
part.
that it opens up and I can put bikes or canoes or whatever I want inside it.
Excellent. Well,
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jennifer, for allowing me to do this. I really appreciate it. Stay crafty.
I will. Thank you, Lottie.
I want to thank my channel members Sherry, Rita, and Desert Adventures in Arizona. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe, and join my channel. Lots of perks and gifts. Check out the join button. Thank you for watching. Stay crafty.